Bryan and I have covered what a daily stand-up meeting is and how to facilitate one. This is where we go into Agile coach mode and share tips for making your daily stand-up more effective.
The best part. Let's start with the top 3 things the facilitators can do. Going back to our definition of what a daily stand-up is about, it's an act of making the work visible. So it's crucial to present key visuals during your meeting, things like a sprint goal or a team calendar, a list of open impediments.
Keeping everyone focused is how you avoid the long, boring meeting. Follow the agenda, stay purpose-driven, and if the meeting is scheduled for 15 minutes, end in 15 minutes.
Right. And a sense of community is going to contribute to the success of the team. Jessica and I often say connection before content. So start every meeting with maybe a funny story or a joke, a brief check-in, anything that will build that team connection relationship. This is key to making the daily stand-up something other than just a meeting.
Participants also have an important role in making the daily stand-up successful. Using stand-up time efficiently requires everyone to review the agenda beforehand and come prepared to talk about their own work, but also about the results, the outcomes, and really how to help and support others.
Right. The stand-up meeting is a time of togetherness, which means keeping everyone's attention in the same place. To do that, each participant should actively use this team task board. Move your things around and talk and communicate about the work.
Finally, the culture of a good stand-up meeting should encourage participants to ask for and offer help. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. In fact, it can be a strength if team members are in there helping one another and really collaborating to keep everyone making progress towards the same goal.
Right, all of us together. And that shared goal is what Agile is all about.
All right, now you're ready to make your next stand-up amazing. And we will see you next time on All Access Agile.